Good morning, Rax. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, and today appropriately is Sunscreen Day.
No way.
I know, right? Appropriate weather for an appropriate day. Hey, Counselors Connect series is up and running again, and the key word of the week is persistency or being persistent, defined as voluntary continuation of goal-directed action in spite of obstacles. Again, don't these things sound appropriate right now? Be persistent. We got less than 4 weeks left to go here in this school year. Opportunities to get things done, even though they're difficult. That is being persistent. Only one more day to buy a yearbook. Don't want to send out the information. Seniors, you don't need to. And your time and date to pick things up from school will be given to you from Martina heading into next month. Happy birthday goes out to Trammell Evans. Happy birthday. And that's all I've got for Trammell and everybody else here already to Wednesday. This week's flying by. Have a great Wednesday, Rax.